All right. Okay, welcome back, guys, to my weekly market outlook. Without wasting so much of your time, I will speak about Euro USD. So this is the weekly time frame on Euro USD. So what we can all see on the weekly time frame is that we are bullish before we create a higher high and then we pull back, and then we tried to create a higher high, but we didn't, and then we pull back again, and now we finally broke structure, right? And then after we broke structure, we pull back. After breaking this structure, this becomes our swing low. But after breaking this weekly structure, we pull back, and then we broke the previous low down here, and which makes it a break of structure. So after a break of structure, we are expecting a pullback, which we got right here. And the pullback is coming through this area of supply up here. So after price went back to this area of supply, it starts selling from there, which created a internal change of character right here. So after getting a internal change of character, and then now we have confirmed that, okay, we are going to continue selling to the downside. Then after this pullback, and we respected this supply area up here, we continue selling down, and we have a internal break of structure on the weekly time frame. And now we have got a pullback to a supply area up here. So from this supply area, we are going to be selling. But before that, let's get down to the daily time frame and see what is going on there. So on the daily time frame, as you can all see, we are bearish. As you can see, this is the overall range, this is the swing high, and this is the swing low. So after price pull back, and we got a change of character right here after respecting this supply area up here, and we got a change of character right here. We continue pushing lower, we pull back, we continue pushing lower, we pull back, we continue pushing lower until we take out this swing low. And now it has become a break of structure. So after a break of structure, remember we are expecting what? A pullback to a supply area, which we got right here to this supply area. So now we sold from this supply area until what? We target this swing low, which now turns into a break of structure. So now this coming week, what I'm expecting on Euro USD is that we are going to continue selling to the downside. So as you can all see, throughout last week, we just got a pullback after this huge sell-up. Then we got a pullback to a supply area like this. So now we are going to start selling from this supply area. But before that, we have to check the 4-hour time frame and see what the 4-hour time frame is telling us. So now if I jump down to the 4-hour time frame, as you can all see, now we are trading to the upside, pulling back to this daily supply zone right here. This daily supply zone, we have pulled back to this daily supply zone. So from here, what I'm expecting is now we are bullish, so we won't start selling until structure is broken and it has turned back to a bearish structure. But for now, we are bullish, and we are still going to continue buying until we have a bearish break of structure. So now what I'm expecting on Monday, we might not get a lot of volatility. it might be a consolidation day. So I will be expecting price to pull back here. Then I will jump down to 15-minute time frame and get a change of character with a strong liquidation. So I will get something like this, and then I'm going to continue targeting this high. That's what I'm expecting. But if price have not respect this demand area, what I'm expecting next is for price to continue lower and break this swing low right here. If price break this swing low, then this swing low will become a break of structure. Then if we get a pullback from this swing low right here, then we are going to continue to the downside. Remember, on the weekly, we are bearish. On the daily, we are bearish. And now on the 4-hour, we are just waiting for the 4-hour to switch bearish. Then we continue selling. But for this week, what I'm expecting first is for price to respect this demand zone if we are moving higher. But if we are not moving higher, price will break this demand zone and break this swing low. Then it will become a break of structure. Then we will start selling from up here. So we will continue to target the weekly swing low, just like this, which is almost, I guess, 300 pips. So that's what I'm expecting for next week. So if I move to the US dollar index on the XY on the 4-hour time frame, we are also bearish. But remember, on the daily time frame, we are pulling back to a demand zone. On the daily time frame, we are bullish. So we are bullish like this. We pull back, we continue higher, we pull back. Now we are pulling back to this demand zone. So now from this demand zone, we are expecting price to what? Continue going up to target this swing high. But on the 4-hour, we are still bearish. As you can all see, we are still bearish. So for us to continue the daily move, which is bullish, we have to wait for a break of structure to the upside. Price have to break this swing high before we can then pull back and then continue trading to the upside on the XY, on US dollar index. But for this coming week, what I'm expecting is for price from here, from this swing low, to pull back to this supply area and then get a change of character from this supply area on the 15-minute time frame. Then we sell to reach this swing low. But if that have not happened, then I'm expecting what price to continue. Maybe it will react to this supply area and then continue higher to target this swing high. Then this swing high will become a break of structure. Then we pull back and continue higher. That's what I'm expecting on the DXY. So if I move to GBPUSD, as you can all see, is almost the same. It moves altogether with EURUSD and the XY, just a little difference. So on the GBPUSD, as you can see, we have pulled back to a supply area and we have broke a swing high. And now it has become a break-up structure on the 4-hour time frame. So now on this 4-hour time frame, this swing low, we are going to move it here because this is our swing low after this break-up structure, and this will be our swing high up here. So now we are trading what within this swing high and this swing low. So on GBPUSD, What I would like to see before trading on GBPUSD is for price to break down here and break this swing low and then pull back to a supply area. Then I will jump down to M15 and then start looking for sales to target what? This swing low. So this is what I will be expecting on GBPUSD on the 4-hour time frame. But I barely trade GBPUSD. Mostly I focus on EURUSD. So that's it for next week. All right, thank you guys and see you in the next video.